The Bureau of Fisheries and Aquatic Resources Region 6 assures public that there will be enough supply of fish despite the 3-month closed season in the Visayan Sea. Daryl Marie Sarmiento has the details live. Daryl?
Adrian, fishermen are prohibited from catching 3 species of fish in the Visayan Sea to allow them to flourish in number. The BFAR made a call to the public to religiously observe the closed season or fishing ban on sardines, herrings, and mackerel in the Visayan Sea. Visayan Sea, which is one of the country's largest fishing grounds, is surrounded by the islands of Cebu, Negros, Masbate, Panay, and Leyte. According to BFAR, the observance of closed season has a huge effect which coincides with the breeding season of these types of fish.
With the management, with the effort we have, naka-recover. Even the commercial sector was saying to us na damo ang isda subong.
However, some fish vendors worry that this may cause a lack of supply in the market and may affect their businesses.
Apektado kami na may nubligang isda. Huwag na may nubligang isda. Medyo subong nga medyo dutay ang isda. Subong binulan.
But according to BFAR, fish supply is still higher compared to what is being consumed. And even during closed season, fish supply is still 14% sufficient. BFAR urges fishermen to be cooperative and the public to be more vigilant, especially since there are still cases of illegal fishing in the region.
Para maalaw ang gagmay nga isda maglagko, kag ang mga nagabuso nga isda nga magbuto, nga magdugang sa populasyon sang isda, kagong maglagko ang isda para gini sa mga isda para magtaas ang ilang income.
The ban started last November 15 and will end on February 15 next year. Adrian, BFAR added that banning will not only increase the fishery in production, but will also help in conserving our marine resources for our future generation. Adrian.
Thank you, Daryl.